Good morning, everybody. It's Nicole here. It's early, the sun is rising, it's quiet. You can't hear anything but the birds chirping and the rooster. So, I'm going to pick some tomatoes first this morning, and I'm going to show you what we've been doing, what we've been preparing at the back of the property, so you'll be able to see. And plus, we rescued a puppy, another puppy, the Great Pyrenees. So, long story. This puppy was just riddled with fleas, just not in good condition, but we cleaned her up, loved her. She came out really well. So I'm going to show you that. But first things first, we don't have any tomatoes in the house. Well, maybe 2 or 3. So I'm going to pick some tomatoes first, and then we'll show you what's been happening with a previous video that I posted. So come on, and let's get the morning started. I love how these grow. Let me show you. Do you see down here on this vine? Oh, get in there and show you. How they just clusters of them just growing. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the section at the back there. So we're going to pick as much as we can that are ripe. Every day now with tomato season, you really have to come out and start picking the tomatoes, because they ripen, especially those small cherry tomatoes. They really ripen so fast. Let me show you the blackberries that are growing. This is a vine that I put in last year, and look, we've got some blackberries. Now we have lots of blackberries in the back field that are wild. A couple of these I dug up, but how exciting is that? So we have it on a little area going all the way down. So we collected a bowl full. So we'll take these inside, and then we'll show you the back of the property. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tillage Village. Today what we've been doing is finishing off some stalls, and we've decided to do things a little different. Normally you would probably use corral boards or something like that, but we've used these fence posts, and as you can see, as we go all the way down, there's Richard there, Mr. R. He's nailing them all with the nail gun, and they're actually on 2x4s, but what I'm going to do is show you on the other side so you can see what we're doing. So this whole area here is going to be split into 4 different pastures. This one, and if you can see, like the fence and the section at the back, another one over there, and then we're going to go on the right hand side. We'll do 2 over there. Then this section will be 2, and we've actually put them in between huge posts, so it's actually secure. They're actually down into the ground. So this is going to be a pen. This will probably be one for the sheep, and we'll have another one I'll bring you around here for the goats. This one's done. Female goats. We won't have the rams or the male goats on this side. We'll have them on the other side because they can be a little bit destructive. So we've got this section here. So we have 1, 2 where the post is. This is the second one. This is the third one. And then we have another one here because we're going to have one for the turkeys. And then we're going to have another section at the side there. The last one where we will put the dogs. And this has taken maybe 2 days. This has been really quick. We've tried to do as much as we can, but with Richard being here for the weekend and trying to get as much done as he can in the daytime, this has gone really, really fast. And what we actually did was we put the fencing all around. Then what it will have is the electric fence, electric wire at the top, so nothing can get out or come in. And then that's how all the 4 different pastures will be. Hey everyone, so I'm walking over to the new area that we built. We fenced everything in yesterday. Well, we managed to get everything fenced in, and the gates all covered with like a wire so that none of the animals could come out. The puppies are in there for the first time overnight. So this is Zeke with the first picture, and Estella is the second picture. She's a female, and she's the one that we rescued. She was covered in fleas. We had to wash her 3 times. I always have flea shampoo on hand anyway in the garage. But what I did was leave Dawn dish soap for like an hour maybe. I left it on the 3rd time because she was washed 3 times. The 3rd time everything was gone. We purchased some special, I think it was like a grooming spray for horses, for show horses, makes their coats really soft and shiny. We did that with her. She looked beautiful, turned out really well. So hopefully they still stay clean because I like things nice and clean. But maybe I just need to let go because I'm not sure how they're going to look or if they're okay. So hopefully they are. Let's see. The funny thing is I'm creeping up really quietly, and they spotted me first before I spotted them. I wasn't sure where they would be, so let me show you. Can you see one of them there? That's Estella. And that's Daisy May mooing because she wants her breakfast. So here we go. We have a turkey in the field. Is he going by there? Okay. Good morning, Daisy May. Good morning. Well, hello, Ezekiel. Hey, baby. Let's say hi to Daisy. Let's say hi to Daisy. Hey, baby girl. Hello. Hey, sweetie. Okay. Stella's barking, and I don't know why. Hello, Ezekiel. Look how dirty you are. Hey, baby. Hello. Let me see what's going on. Why is Stella's barking? Let me see. This is Estella. Hey, baby girl. Hey, Zeke Boo. Say, hey, baby. Hello. doing good, but look how grubby you are. Okay, get your head out. Get your head out. Come on, let's go get your food. It's a sheep. Estella! Hey girls, how are you? Are you good? Good morning. Hey Ezekiel. Hey baby. Hey baby. What you doing? Estella and Ezekiel. Estella's the larger one. She's 4 months. Ezekiel is 9 weeks, nearly 10 weeks. But they're going to be really big. She's a little underweight, but she looks really good. Pretty dirty, but we'll give them a brush. But they're happy. And the sheep were fine. They protected them all night, so we're pleased. But we have been training them, so Ezekiel, sit. Good boy. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, baby. Now, Ezekiel, we've put in several times in the actual chicken chicken area, and he didn't really do anything. He just looked at them and just was like, oh, what is this? But he didn't do much. Now we have them in this area, and we actually have a couple of the chickens, the hens out, and he started to chase them. He got excited, like wanting to play, because he's only 9 weeks, so he's playful. But I'm not sure whether he realizes how strong he is. That was for about 10 minutes, and now he doesn't seem to be messing with them. He doesn't seem to be fussing about with them. So I'll show you his interaction with them. So here's Ezekiel now, laying down. Estella sitting up, and Brielle has just brought another hen out. He doesn't seem to be paying any attention, so this is a good sign. But the hen hasn't moved yet. Oh, she's jumped. Let's see Zeke. Estella's not doing it. She didn't pay no attention. And Zeke. Oh dear. Let's see. No. No. Praise the Lord. Oh well. Maybe we speak to Leave her, Brielle. Leave her. Let's see. Let's see what she does. What he does. Sit, Zeke. Ezekiel. Zeke. Okay, so she got away, but nothing happened. She just followed her. I just think I just think he's curious more than anything. Just curious because he knows the sound, and I think if he was going to do anything, he would have done it by now because they're very strong dogs. So there he is, just not doing anything. He's just gone to lay back down. So yeah. So there's Ezekiel, and he can see the hen, and we've got a couple more there. We haven't let all of them out because that's might be a bit overwhelming for him. But he's just laying down. So what I'm going to do, I might get him a snack so it keeps his mind off it. He's staring at them. Oh no, he's not. He's good. Hey Stella. Hey, baby. Hey, little girl. So this is the whole area that we fenced in into that corner there. Past that fence on the back, which is that line there, is where Daisy May is, the dairy cow. Then we're going to fence in this section here that goes far back. Then we will fence in another area here. So this will make the third pen or third section for the animals to graze. And then this whole section here, right back to where the trees are, will make a fourth section. And we'll end it just before the two red houses at the top. Then past the red houses, behind those, we should be able to get another 2, maybe 3 areas there. So we'll just do like rotational grazing, and then they'll be in one area. When that's eaten down, we'll move them to another area. But so far, Estella is not doing anything with the chickens. She's been raised around, well, that's what the lady said. So it's proving to be true, because when the hens were out, she didn't do anything. She just lay there. Ezekiel, on the other hand, he starts to get a little bit playful. But now he's calmed down and he's not doing anything. As you can see, let me see if you can see one of the hens in there. At the back there. So right there. Now the whole setup in this area isn't 100% because Ethan has to figure out how to feed the chickens without them getting in. But they're fine with the chickens though, so it's still all a learning process, so we'll get all that arranged, sorted. But that is it for now. So I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time. Bye. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of hours since Ezekiel and Estella have been out with the hens, so I'm going to check now, see if everything's okay. So everything is great. I even brought some snacks out for them, and I didn't have to give it to them. They're just laying there. Everybody's chilling. So that's wonderful. I'm going to go get a coffee. See you next time. Love you all. Bye.